Okay guys, so today we are gonna be unboxing this Hot Wheels big monster truck, and this is my brother's monster truck. He was too excited and he just opened it. Now I could not make the video of this, but now I'm gonna make a video of this. So let's start it. So guys, now from below here we can unbox it. So let's take out this part first. So this is not that necessary. Now let's check out the monster truck. Ooh, what a big monster truck! And so now let's read its features and stuffs. Now over here you get each and every fact. You see, the name is a tiger shark. Truck type is creature. Strength is powerful tail fin. Crash attack shark rib and motivation. Yeah. So this is all the facts, most of the facts about this car. So we are going to be showing you more facts in this video. So make sure to watch it till the end. And it's really an awesome car, and like it said in the facts over here, it's an tiger shark car. So this fin is for the shark and the design is with the tiger. And this has big wheels, a lot bigger. It's one wheel is equal of maybe 2 Hot Wheels, and this is really good for off-road. And if you have a big garden house, this toy is the best. And its body is made up of steel, but not like the original Hot Wheels. The tire is made up of plastic, but still the body is tight and really good. It's very hard to break also. And the only difference in this car is the size of the car and the unique shape of its body and the plastic tire, and especially the main thing is that the height is little much bigger, maybe 3 times bigger than a normal Hot Wheels, and maybe 1.5 times bigger than another monster truck which you get. And if possible, we are gonna be unboxing that monster truck in our next video. And if you want to even unbox more Hot Wheels, be sure to comment which kind of Hot Wheels you want us to unbox. So we are particularly gonna buy it because Hot Wheels is not that expensive also. And so remember to subscribe, like and share. So as always, Hot Wheels had its logo in its most of the car. So even here Hot Wheels, it is written Hot Wheels. And now below there is nothing that special, but it has a spring over here which allows you to the car bump and the turning. So let's talk about the scene, the facilities of my brother's car. So here is another awesome car, which is the taxi car actually. And yeah, you don't need to think it's a taxi. You can think it's just a design, and you can think this is a normal car. Or maybe if you like taxi, you can think that this is an off-road taxi. So now let's talk about comparison. Because that will tell you an interesting fact about both this car, and it will make easier so that you can decide which car you should buy. Now first comparison is about the size, which it's like the most important fact. So now even in the camera you may be seeing that this car is a little bigger than this car. And now, okay, that's the first comparison only. Talking about the second comparison, I really wanted to show you the size comparison. I mean, not the size, the design comparison, the style comparison. Now you see, looking at the picture or looking at the video, you can easily really tell that this is a lot stylish car than this. You can see only Hot Wheels logo, but Hot Wheels taxi, something here, monster truck, something here. Yeah, that's a second. And even bonnet, actually the bonnet is almost the same, but okay, let's ignore that. Now the third comparison I want to make is that about maybe the dicky. Okay, let's go to the dicky part. In the dicky part, you see both the cars has dicky, but this dicky you can see that there looks like a powerful engine inside, which gives you a warning: do not put any suitcases inside for my world and my brother's world. Now in this car, the engine does not look that strong, so we can put suitcase inside, and the dicky is much bigger, and this doesn't have dicky. So What should I mean? Compare the Dicky. So if you want the Dicky car, this car is a better choice. Now talking about the type of this car is a creature car, as I told you from here, and this car is a SUV car. Now let's skip that also, okay, because like these two cars are almost the same. But now, see, now the third comparison I want to make is if this is SUV car and this is creature car, but it does not mean that this is gonna be better in the off-road. But now that's what the comparison is about. This has the wheel of off-road and the body of off-road, but this has a wheel of off-road and a body of sports. I mean, this is sports off-road car. Like, I can give you an example right now because I need to think a bit. And this is a complete off-road car like Fortuner. If say suppose Range Rover or Fortuner, this car is like that, and this car is an off-road sports car. You can take an example by yourself, and if you have any examples of this, because it's just not coming into my mind, so you can write it in the comments down below. Now this is a food comparison I pick. Now the other comparison is, if you want an AOV car, this car is better because the window is much bigger and it is so tiny. And yeah, because the window is bigger, it gives you a grid inside, so that maybe in the race you don't just fly over the window. So that's the fifth comparison I'm making, maybe by just calculating stupidly. And yeah, so now actually I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video, because your views, your comments, your likes and your subscribes will really help our channel to grow our channel bigger and bigger. And yeah, remember to subscribe if you are watching this video, our channel for the first time. And yeah, leave a comment down below in what should we unbox next. Unboxing video of a toy. Yeah, you can send any toy, like say suppose it is a car known as Hotwheels Jealous, and you send in the comment, please unbox the car Hotwheels Jealous. We are gonna read your comment and then try to unbox that car if possible. Because we'll read the comment, and but still now nobody has given us that kind of comments, and now you have a chance to be the first person. So I don't want to make it long. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, like and share. Okay guys, so see you in the next video.